What is a heart murmur is a common question that we all get, and that's why we see a lot of our patients, they get referred to us because their regular vet heard a heart murmur.
One big common misunderstanding is when they say, my previous vet diagnosed a heart murmur. A heart murmur isn't really so much a diagnosis as it is a physical exam finding. Building off of that, the next goal is to obtain, okay, well, what is causing this murmur? And so usually the way I explain it to owners is a murmur is just a result of turbulent blood flow. So that occurs as blood's coming from the body to the heart, out to the lungs, back to the heart, and then out to the body again. Somewhere along that path of the greater vessels and the chambers and the valves of the heart, you're developing some form of turbulence with blood flow, and that's what you're appreciating on auscultation.
A heart murmur either here because a valve or something in the heart is leaky, or there's something that's narrower than it should be. That's the two main causes of heart murmurs that we hear.